Okay, I'm back with our subtraction strategies. So we have 3 main subtraction strategies that we've learned. Counting back, making a 10, and adding to subtract. Let's look at counting back first. Just like counting on, we use counting back when we're subtracting 1, 2, or 3. So let's do the subtraction problem 7 minus 2. To model this, I'm first going to draw my whole, which is 7. I'm going to use counters to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, to count back, I can use 2 different strategies. I can use my arrow loops. So if I start on the first counter, I would loop back twice. 1, 2. And whatever my counter is on, that is my answer to my subtraction problem. Or if that's too confusing, I can color in my 2 counters. And then the counters that are not colored in will become my answer to my subtraction problem. So let's count how many would be left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 minus 2 is the difference of 5. Let's look at making a 10 to subtract. This is our most difficult strategy when it comes to subtracting, but it works really well for some of our larger numbers that are past 10. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my whole of 12 and fill in my tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, I can solve this 2 different ways, but I want to think in my brain what makes the 10. So the first thing I want to do is get rid of the 2. So I'm going to cross them out. That means that I've already subtracted 2. That makes my 10. So I know that equals 10. However, I have to then think 2 plus how many more equals 5. So I know how many more to subtract. Well, let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that 3 more would equal my 5. So I'm going to cross out 3 more. 1, 2, 3. The counters that are in my tens frame that are left are my answer to my subtraction problem. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 12 minus 5 equals 7. I could also, if that's too confusing, just cross out my 5. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are crossed out. Either way works. Now I'm going to add to subtract. This is where we use our related facts to solve our subtraction problem. If I have the problem 13 minus 6, that's a difficult problem for me because I don't have 13 fingers. So I don't have enough fingers to put down. So instead I'm going to think in my brain, 6 plus what equals 13? To figure that out, I need to count on one of my addition strategies. So I'm going to put 6 in my brain and count on until I get to 13. Let me put this down to do that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers do I have up? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fingers. So that means that 6 plus 7 equals 13. Because they're related facts then, I know that 13 minus 6 equals a difference of 7. All right, boys and girls. So what I want you to do now is to go to your math book and complete your Chapter 8.1 math pages. And I'll see you back here tomorrow for math. Bye.